I shouldn't say that, but
Come on.
Java.
Who am I here with?
Aïsha, I work as a developer in TotalEnergies digital factory.
Okay, that's nice. Aisha, what's your tech stack?
I'm full stack in Java, Spring Boot, sometimes Python, and front end React JS or Angular JS.
Okay, good. If you could only use one programming language
Yeah.
for the next 5 years,
Yeah.
what it would be and why?
Language,
Yeah.
TypeScript.
Why?
It's simple, easy to use.
What you code in Java? Like what the hell you code in
Java is very verbose actually. You have to write a lot of code to do simple things.
Yeah.
Python or TypeScripts are simpler to use.
Yeah, but that's why I ask you, like, 'cause if you are looking for simplicity, Java is not simple at all.
It's not simple at all, yeah.
Okay, what do you think about AI? Because, like, if AI could write a perfect code,
Yeah.
what would be left for the developers to do?
Managing what the AI returns, because even if we use it now sometimes to make some tests or some other batch of codes that are like verbose to do,
Okay.
yeah, we have to manage, we have to reread what it writes because it may still make some mistakes, and we as human only can see the mistakes it makes.
Are you worried about AI replacing developers?
Not really.
Why?
Not now, still.
Not today.
Not today. They still make a lot of mistakes. So
Yeah.
yeah, we still need developers to check after the AI.
Okay, is the job market being tough right now is because of AI, or is there is other factors that going on?
I think there are other factors too, because lately there are a lot of developers. Like developer is a cool job,
Okay.
so a lot of students choose the field to do the job. And
Okay.
that's why maybe now there are a lot of developers, and when you have a lot of offer,
Yeah.
or like the demand is less.
Okay, I see. My last question would be, what programming language do you hate secretly or not secretly, and why?
I shouldn't say that, but
Come on.
Java. I hate it.
You hate Java and you
Yes.
code in Java?
It's very powerful, but it's very verbose. Like it takes a lot of time to code something simple
Yeah.
compared to like newer languages, but it's still like safer and more secure. So we have to use it. If you want to use like some complex things, Java is the best way to do.
Isn't that Rust?
Sorry,
Rust?
Rust?
Yeah.
No, yeah, Rust APIs and using Spring Boot.
No.
Yeah.
The Rust programming language.
Rust?
Yeah, not RESTful. You don't know Rust?
No.
Okay, the first person to not know Rust. Okay, I mean, you are in good good hands.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Rust is like really like shooting yourself in the foot. It's
Really?
quite tough.
Yeah.
It's more difficult than C.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's like
Ah, yeah.
it's tertiary language.
I mean, I'm a web developer, so for me, Java is the thing I use usually, and
Okay.
it's tough for me. But if I have to choose a general language, yeah, maybe C++. We have assembler. We have Ruby on Rails, which is also
Oh
a
my
pain.
goodness.
Yeah, there are a lot of languages that are complex.
Okay,
Yeah.
nice, Aisha. Thank you so much.
you so much.
Yeah, nice
Yeah,
talking
have
to
a
you.
good day.
Cool.
Thank you.